Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. I'm going to show you how to do a basic cleaning of fungus removal from your Bolex lens. Remember, these are vintage lenses. They're not sealed like modern lenses, and moisture and everything can get inside of there to create fungus. One thing you don't want to ever do is blow your breath inside of a lens. You can always use these bulbs, spray inside of there. But beyond the stuff we already know, cleaning the fungus. Hydrogen peroxide, apply that to a microfiber cloth. Clean the back element and the front. You want to do this for about 5 minutes, something like that. Now to something different. What I do is I hold my lenses. I buy a lot of vintage lenses, and I use a jeweler's loupe. Hold the lens up to the sky in the sunlight, put the loupe really close, and more than likely you're going to see traces of fungus, because these are vintage lenses and they're more than likely going to contain it. If you see any more, you repeat the process with your hydrogen peroxide and microfiber cloth. Next, storing your lenses in a cabinet. These type of places where you keep all your vintage lenses. Alright? You want to keep moisture, that type of thing, away from them. And a good way to do this, an old time tested method, and I use this here in the Philippine Islands, is rice. Just put a little bowl of rice in there. Believe it or not, it pulls away moisture and that type of thing. You can also use your silica gel packets. Finally, what you're going to want to do is put your lamp, a UV lamp, and the lens under the UV lamp, each side, for 9 hours each. This is going to kill the fungus. One side 9 hours. Next, flip the lens over for another 9 hours on the mount. And that's it. Do contact me up here at Bolex Repair Philippines FB page for questions, parts, rubber Bolex eye cups, and repairs. Do click that bell down there and subscribe. Until next time, see ya.